This is how we roll at the Florida No Time Nats. Look at that. What do you got to say about that, brother?
Deliciousness.
I don't know what she's doing, man. Over there just tapping on the front.
Way more than my brother does.
I heard that.
Oh, shit. He just said that out loud.
Hey, that's just between me and you, though, okay?
Oh, yeah. This is how we roll. Hashtag Radio Life. Filets on the flat top.
Dan, you got more butter?
Yeah. You don't use half the butter. Here we go. It's Mr. Rick Prospero going to be back at it. What's up, brother?
How much are you doing?
We're doing good, man. We're going to watch this little green car make a hit. Come on. Look at them out there losing their shoes. Lost them shoes. Nice hit. Good job, guys. Oh, we can't look at that. Can't see that ticket. Don't show me that ticket. What's that smile say?
Okay. we got room to grow.
Right on, brother.